Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to dive into how you can use ChatGPT to simplify your daily tasks, whether it's creating to-do lists, planning meals, learning new things, or even drafting emails. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can save you time and make your life easier. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is an advanced AI chatbot that helps you with a wide variety of tasks. Whether you need help organizing your day, brainstorming ideas, or even learning something new, ChatGPT is there for you. Now, let's get productive. We can ask ChatGPT to create a to-do list for the day. This helps keep everything organized and ensures you don't forget any important tasks. Type, "Can you help me create a to-do list for today?" ChatGPT will respond with a detailed and organized list tailored to your day's tasks. Next up, let's plan meals. If you're looking for dinner ideas or a recipe, ChatGPT is perfect for that too. Type, "Suggest a quick and healthy dinner recipe." You'll get a recipe along with the ingredients and cooking steps, helping you save time in the kitchen. ChatGPT is also great for learning. You can ask it to explain complex topics in simple terms. Type, "Explain quantum physics in simple terms." ChatGPT will break it down in a way that's easy to understand, helping you learn at your own pace. Writing emails can be time-consuming, but ChatGPT can help you draft emails quickly. Type, "Draft an email to my boss requesting time off." ChatGPT will generate a professional and ready-to-send email template that you can tweak and use immediately. And there you have it. ChatGPT can assist with so many daily tasks, from organizing your schedule to helping you learn something new or even automating your emails. There are endless possibilities for how ChatGPT can make your daily life easier.